What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Klaviyo to create your email marketing campaigns. Klaviyo is a great website that you can use to create not only email campaigns but also SMS campaigns, which is pretty impressive. So let's get right to it and learn how to create our email campaign with Klaviyo. First you'll need to go to their website, that's klaviyo.com, and it'll take you to their homepage right here where you can learn about the platform and its different features like email marketing, SMS marketing, mobile push, and reviews. So here are some of the features or the main features of the platform, as well as some more info that you get. And you can take a look at their pricing. So if we click on pricing right here, and here, as you can see, the price depends on the number of contacts that you have. So let's say I have between 500 and 8,000 contacts. So email and SMS would be starting at $45 a month. Email only starts at 30, and free plan, it starts at 0. Of course, it's free, which is perfect to get started. So you can compare here the features of each plan to know which is best for you. However, for now, we will sign up to a free plan just because we are just trying out. It'll give you like 500 monthly email sends and 150 monthly free monthly SMS and MMS credit. And to sign up and create an account, you can always log in if you already have an account, or you can click on sign up to create your account. So that's what we are going. Click on sign up. And here you'll need to enter some basic info like your email or password, your company name, and stuff like that. So I'm going to fill in all these details and then create my account. Okay, and once I enter all my email, it'll ask some basic questions like how would you like to describe your business? So let's say I'm in the supplements and pharmaceutical business. Hey, click on continue. And what's your main focus on business? Let's say I sell products online and in person. Okay. And then what's my primary business platform? Of course, you can change this all later, but for now, let's choose Shopify. And then you can connect your Shopify store here to your Klaviyo. However, I'll just do that later. And here, how many contacts that I have? Let's say less than 1,000. And now I need to have my address line or my physical address right here. So I'll just go ahead and add it. And then I need to choose the sender name, that's my company name, and my email address that will choose in the subscribers box. So the sender's email address, I'll just need to enter my email address right here and then click on continue. And then how do you want to reach your subscribers? So let's say email and SMS, and later we'll choose only email for the campaigns that we create. And now I'll need to activate my email. So I'll go ahead to my inbox and then activate my email. And once I do, I'm all set. So this is the welcome screen, and it gives you like the steps that you need to do. So connect your Shopify stores, turn on website tracking, import your contacts, build your brand library, and invite your team. And that's like setting up my account. I can begin with SMS or grow my audience or recover lost sales. So here you have home, which is of course your main home page. Here you get some statistics, some insights about your business. So like the conversions, the campaigns, the flows. Of course, none is shown because I haven't created any campaigns yet. Top performing flows, recent campaign, and stuff like that. And here you can view your campaigns. And in this page, we will create our new campaign. So here I don't have, of course, any campaigns because I haven't created any. So I'll create a new campaign. Let's click on your create campaign. The campaign name, let's name it test campaign, and you can select a date. So for now, let's leave it as this. And it's an email campaign. We want to create an email campaign, and we can add tags if we want to. Now let's save it and continue. And here the name is test campaign. Now the recipients, you can choose like a contacts to receive this email. Of course, we haven't had added any contacts yet. So let's choose from these two, from this list. You can choose many titles or many types of contacts. So for this, let's choose 2. And now skip recently emailed profiles. We can check or uncheck this if you want to. Now the tracking, we'll leave it as it is. And now click to continue. And here we can select a subject line that'll show in the campaign. So let's say new product. let's say our company, our supplement company is launching a new product and we want our customers to know about it. The preview text, let's say buy it now. Send your name, myself, the email address, use this as the reply to email. Now, we can design our email with a drag and drop editor, which is the best method in my opinion. We can choose text only if we want our email to be a text only, or HTML. For now, let's click on drag and drop since it's the most convenient one. Now I can choose a template. So that's how my email will look like. Of course, I have full control on all the elements. I can change and replace anything and add elements if I want to. Let's say I like this one. I can preview it on or see how it look on desktop and mobile. And once I decide it's what I want to use, I can click on use template right here. And here I'm in the editor. So I can edit any item or any element in my email page here, or I can add different blocks like text, images, split. I'll show you that in a second. I can choose also the style, so the colors and the style of the page, the color palette. Now let's edit the page right here. So click on the header. We have the logo inline, so how the logo will show up next to the buttons right here, or the menu buttons. So you can choose logo stacked. I think it looks better. Now let's edit the logo. You can remove the logo and not show it, or replace it or edit it. I'll replace it to add my own. You can add from image library or upload your own image, or add a dynamic image or product catalog. So let's upload our own image. Select an image. Here, let's upload this logo, this image that I created earlier. And it shows up right here. It's a bit bigger, so let's say we want to move it back to logo inline. Okay, looking good. And here you can also edit the mobile layout. So if the mobile view, you can also edit how it'll look like on the mobile phone. So let's say, okay, logo inline also. And now you can add links to the content. So link 1, the shop. You can add a link here, so when the customer clicks on the shop, it'll redirect them to the link that you type in right here. You can add a background or drop shadow in the shop to the shop, and you can also select the shadow color. You can do so for the 4 links: the shop, about, new, and contact. And you can also add new link. Now here you control the font, so if I choose a font here, it'll select the font for all of them, and so on. So you can also choose the background color or a background, change the background style. So let's add a blue color. Okay, looking good right here. Now you can click on the image to delete it or add a new image. So here I can browse the image library for images and add images if I want to. So let's upload a new image. Let's upload this one as a test image. Okay, it's uploading and it'll show up on our page right here. And as you can see here, the image is now replaced. Now let's go to the text block right here, and I can edit the text. So let's say new product. Okay, let's replace this text also. Let's say view now, for example. Okay, and you can edit the font, the style, and so on, and the display option on desktop and mobile. Okay, and let's leave this as it is. And now let's delete this text. We do not want to, so you can delete certain blocks, and you can delete the entire block here. Now for the social media buttons, you can add your social media links right here. So link to your Facebook page, to your Instagram page, and your own email. And you can also add icons or add spacer for a new social media if you want to add any social media platform. And of course, you can edit the alignments, the text, the color for the icons and stuff like that. So let's make them small or large. We can make them larger, and we can stack them on mobile. And as you can see here, we can edit the spacing and the background color. We can edit the background color, so to show a certain background color for the social media buttons. Okay, and now all is looking quite good. We can go to the image section as well and view add a background color. So we can add background colors for each individual sections. So let's edit. Of course, it looks pretty random right now. However, I'm just showing you what can be done. So once you are happy with the result right here, of course, as I told you, you can go back here and add blocks. So you can add a text, an image, split, drop shadow, or header bar, button, and so stuff like that. So let's add a text block. You can drag it and drop it wherever you want to. So let's add it here. And this is a text block. Let's type in okay, let's select the text, our product, and let's align it to be in the middle. Okay, looking good. We can edit the text color as well. So let's highlight the text. We can make the text here blue. Okay, now once you are happy with all your settings, go ahead and preview and test. And here is how our email page will look like. If you are happy with the result and how it looks, you can click on done to save it, or you can send a test. So if I click on send test, I can enter a recipient email to send this email to and see how it'll look like. And once you click on done, your edits will be saved, and you can click on save here to save this email. So here it gets you back to the campaigns page, and you can, as you can see, your email is saved here, and you can click on edit to edit it. And here you can continue to review. You can click on continue to review. And here I can review all the info. I've added recipients, smart sending, subject line, form from and reply. So I can edit this section, and the content is now edited. The unsubscribe link, I didn't add it, and tracking powered by Klaviyo. Okay, all is added. Now I can here schedule or send this email. Of course, I need to edit these sections that I haven't added. So now that's how easy it is to create email marketing campaigns on Klaviyo.